In this video I will show you how to cure dry lips quickly. Did you know more moisture is lost through your lips than through any other part of your face or body? When the lips lose moisture, the skin covering them can become tight and start to split. It's very tempting to pick and bite off flakes of dried skin, but this will only make your lips bleed and heal more slowly. Irritating the skin around your mouth may also trigger a cold sore if you're prone to getting them. It's also tempting to keep licking dry or cracked lips, but this will only dry your lips even more as the saliva evaporates and the repeated licking or wetting washes the natural grease of the skin. The best thing to do if you have dry or sore lips is to regularly apply a lip balm, and the best ones contain beeswax. You may need to try a few different products before you find the one that works best for you. Beeswax balm acts as a shield to protect your lips against the sun, wind and cold or dry air. It will trap moisture and seal cracks against infection. If you're looking for a particular kind of beeswax product that works best, the one I would recommend is Burt's Beeswax Lip Balm. It has a 100% natural lip care formula containing beeswax to condition and naturally shield the lips with antioxidants-rich vitamin E. It's naturally hydrating and its moisturising ingredients revitalize your lips. If you want to know more information on this product, purchase it or read reviews of users who have actually used it, then just click here or click in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and bye for now.